All right, let's make a drink. I got a request, so thanks, Chris Fisher. He said, let's see a whiskey sour with the egg in it. So here we go. The egg, it sounds gross, right? But we're gonna add an egg white, and it's gonna add that like nice, like frothy layer that you get on top of sours, on some drinks that you'll get at like the specialty fancy cocktail bars, but we're gonna do it for cheap. Okay, so first thing, let's take care of the egg. I always do this first in case I like mess up and put some of the yolk in there, because then we have to start over. So don't pour your bourbon in first, in case, because you don't want to waste it. Okay, so like I said, we just want the white, right? No yolk. And then I'm just making one cocktail, so it really doesn't even need to be the full egg white. Just enough to get some froth on there. So I got a little bit in there. Let me get that out of the way, and then I made a mess. I'm gonna clean up. This will gross me out if I just leave it, right? Oh, we'll have to get to that. Oh, I'm just smearing it in.
Oh my God.
Okay, let's make the drink. All right, I got the egg white in there. Let's do the rest of the liquid ingredients. It's all liquid ingredients. Bourbon, right? We'll do 2 ounces of bourbon. So here we go. You could do any kind of whiskey, whatever. I just like bourbon. So 2 ounces of that, and we'll go a little over 2 ounces. It's not gonna hurt anybody. Okay, we got our bourbon. Then we'll do a little simple syrup, just to sweeten it up a little bit. So a little bit of simple syrup, just a ½ ounce of simple syrup. Just a ½ ounce of that. Ooh, it's a little much. Whatever. What am I gonna do with it? Okay, simple syrup. Now we need a lemon, right? We need a juicy boy. So here we go, let's get it cut. I'm gonna need just under an ounce of this. So a little more than the simple, but definitely not as much as the whiskey. Where's my measuring cup? See, I got this hand juicer. I need to get one of those I need like the big, like professionally mounted juicer. Right, Reens?
No. That's all right.
We'll get one soon. All right. So let's juice this out. Juicy boy. Okay, so like I said, just under an ounce. Cool, that works for me. All right, so here's the trick. Here's the secret to the whole drink, right? We've got the egg in there. We're gonna dry shake it first, so no ice. So we're just gonna shake it as is. Couple warnings, right? First, you really wanna shake it because you really wanna work the egg up. And then the second is it's gonna like pressurize in here, so be careful. If you're not really holding it, the top will pop off and all your shit will spill everywhere. You don't want your shit everywhere.
Right.
Okay, so we'll shake it. Like I said, it's gonna be pressurized, so be careful so it doesn't pop. See, I don't know, you probably can't see it, but it's pretty foamy in there. Take my word for it. What am I looking for? My ice. So now we're gonna shake it with some ice, like we would a regular cocktail. Shaking it up. Okay? Take the roof off if we can. And pour it over. I like the big rocks cube, which is the single. Gotta shake it all out there. Sometimes it's a little stubborn, but get it all the way out there. Good. So if you can see, I don't know, you can see it's got that nice layer of foam on top. That's what we're looking for. And then we'll do just a little bit of bitters. This one pours out super fast, so I can't get like the really nice dots, but we'll try our best. Cool. Got a couple of dots of bitters in there. And there it is, whiskey sour. Off we go. Thanks, guys.